This is heaven. If you don't try this, you're definitely going to miss. Let's get started. First and foremost, roast the peanuts. Now to the peanuts, I'll add green chilies also. So depending upon the chilies that you are using, you can add more or less. And now just sim the flame. So now I'm going to peel my mango. Peeling is done. This is done. Now we'll just roast again. So for peanuts, you'll come to know from this, the aroma of peanuts, you'll come to know that it is roasted. And now you need to cool it down. In the meanwhile, what we'll do is we'll prepare the tadka. Now for tadka, just add a little bit of oil. Add urad dal. Add mustard seeds. Add jeera. Add one dry chili. Add curry leaves. This is done. Switch off the flame. And now we are going to grind the peanuts. This is perfect consistency. In this I'll add mangoes. Also I'm going to add coriander. This is completely optional. And a little bit of salt. Water. See this tadka. Frankly speaking, this really looks like just 2 minutes recipe. I could have told 2 minutes. But practically if you do it, it will take 10 to 12 minutes. Please do try and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. And share out to all the raw mango friends and peanut chutney friends. Bye bye. See you next time. Like, share and subscribe.